I am now in Okinawa, Japan, and this is what $90 a night can get you. So we are staying at the La'Gent Hotel. So when you first walk in, they give you some slippers here. You can put your luggage there. There's a shoe horn. You also have, this is like your closet, we're going to call it. So you have some hangers. They give you this air freshener, fabric freshener right here. And then we'll go into the bathroom. So you have your typical Japanese toilet here with the bidet with all the buttons on it. So back, front, how much pressure you want. These I haven't been able to figure out what those are for yet. But here is the sink and underneath. So here's where all your towels are. If you need a hair dryer, it goes right here. You have a little stool. So if you like to poop with your feet up, you just move that right over there. Then we have, there's a separate door here for the showering area. So you have your choice. There's just one shower head here, but you could either choose to turn it towards you if you wanted to stand in a bath, or you could run a bath there, or you could turn it to you over here and shower in front of a mirror. This is pretty typical for a Japanese bathroom. They give you shampoo, conditioner, body wash. If you wanted to sit while you are showering, you can pull that stool over. If you needed a bucket, you could use that as well. So we are in a moderate twin room. So over here, I'll go over here. We have 2 chairs, a little table here, a little mini fridge, a safe, a kettle. That is a humidifier, but it normally sits on the ground, but we don't need it, and we wanted a little more space in here, so we just moved it up on the shelf. We have a TV. All right, yep, so these are the 2 twin beds. Now, the what do I call those? Comforters, very comfortable. The beds are normal. They're definitely not, they're not memory foam, they're not soft, but I don't think they're really that hard. Now, the pillow situation. I can't get used to these pillows here, so we actually, oh my gosh, we actually went and bought some other pillows to get us through here. So these are all the rage in Japan, but so this front half is like a normal pillow, I guess you'll call it. But back here, if you can hear that, that's, imagine a pillow being half pillow, half beanbag. Not the most comfortable thing, we'll call it. We do have an air con here, and then we have a balcony. So we have 2 more chairs and another table out here. And then this is our view. So American Village is right there. The beach and the ocean or sea are right there. All right, so as you can see, we are just on the outskirts of American Village. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. So they give you pajamas every night. They're always fresh, which is awesome. The shower, amazing. I love that shower. Like you saw, the pillows, not my favorite, but you know, different styles around the world. Wi-Fi was 8 download and 3 upload, which doesn't sound like the best. However, I did work the first 3 days we were here, and it was enough for me to work. I wasn't really doing a lot of big uploading. It was mainly just email, spreadsheets, etc. So I didn't find an issue with it, but if you're doing heavier lift of things, you might have. So oh, and this is also, I didn't realize this till we got here, this is part hotel, part hostel. So I would say in this building it's like 80% hotel and only 20% hostel. And honestly, you wouldn't even know that this has a hostel in it. The only reason we found out was because we were walking past the sign in the parking lot, and it said La'Gent Hotel and Hostel, and we were like, wait, what? I had no idea. So this is what you can get for $90 a night in Okinawa, Japan. I would definitely stay here again. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures, leave me a comment. Have you ever been to Okinawa before? So I've been to mainland Japan a few years ago, but this is my first time here in Okinawa. And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.